Welcome. In this video, we will answer an important SEO question. Why is mobile friendliness so important for SEO? We will cover its impact on search engine rankings, user experience, and Google's mobile-first approach. Today, more than half of all Google searches happens on mobile devices. If your site is not mobile-friendly, you risk losing a huge portion of your audience. Google now uses mobile-first indexing, meaning it crawls and ranks your site based on the mobile version. If your mobile site is poor, your SEO rankings will suffer. Mobile friendliness improves user experience. Visitors expect fast loading, easy to read pages on small screens. A bad experience increases bounce rates and lowers trust. Google considers mobile usability a ranking factor. Mobile-friendly sites gets higher visibility in search results, especially for users searching on smartphones. Core web vitals like LCP, CLS, and FID focus heavily on mobile performance. A mobile-friendly site scores better in these metrics, boosting SEO. Mobile friendliness also boosts local SEO. When users search near me query on mobile, Google favors websites that are mobile-friendly. Sites often lose SEO value due to small fonts, unclickable buttons, slow load times, or images not optimized for mobile. Fixing these improves performance. To make your site mobile-friendly, use responsive design, optimize images for speed, test with Google Mobile Friendly Test, keep menus simple and clean. Mobile friendliness is essential because Google ranks based on mobile first indexing. Users prefer mobile browsing and it directly affects SEO, traffic and conversion. Thanks for watching. Test your site today for mobile friendliness and optimize it for better rankings. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more SEO insights.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.